Oh, hello, horses. What'd you do?
I have brakes and I hit the wrong one for brakes.
Oops.
Acceleration?
What's that beeping? What, am I hitting something?
Oh, the dials down here?
Oh.
You might be.
Okay.
They might be like.
What the hell's it beeping at me for?
What's it say power wise?
100%?
We're good. 4 volt, yeah.
There's something counting down. What's counting down?
That just tells you how much time you're doing on that plane.
How do you get to like the plane screen? Is this the plane screen?
Yeah, that's plane screen.
Whoa, whoa. Okay. Alright. Oh, yeah, it is this. I keep bumping it.
Okay.
I'm going to move it all the way to one side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, Jeff. I gotta glue those tires.
You have telemetry or no?
No.
Okay. I'll take off right to left. Pull back so Jack can take off. Oh. Bono looks good on this thing. Go ahead. You have any expo in here?
I gotta look.
Where would it be?
Mono Just. Dual Race Expo.
Yeah, you got some.
Yeah.
Not a lot, but okay, you're good. You get as long as you got expo in there. Okay. How do you get back to home? I see it.
Yeah. Back left quarter. There you go.
So advanced. All right, taxi now, take off.
Landing gear is there.
Okay.
Flaps is up here.
Okay.
Don't know if you're gonna use flaps.
I may or may not.
Timer start. Timer start.
It's a little from the left.
Barely any.
Barely, but I'm just gonna do it to be safe. Okay, guys, taking off.
Timer start.
You need a pizza pan?
Oh no, I'm good. I fly around it. That's high rates, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I always use a little bit of a mix on this plane. Rudder to aileron to rudder. Just probably like 10-20%. It helps with the rolls. Feels good.
Is all dialed in?
All trimmed.
Rip it. Let's see this thing.
I'm
Let's see
just
Frankenstein.
trying to stay out of little Jack's way. I see where he is. He's going to turn. All right, guys, I'm doing a low pass from the right. I'll fly around the sun. Right into the sun. Needs a lot of down trim.
A lot of down?
Yep.
All right.
I'll do. I got it. I already put it in.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay. Low pass from the left.
Low pass for the left.
1 minute.
Whoa, it's stalling. Okay. Looks good. Another low pass.
Another low pass left to right.
30 seconds.
I don't know where Jack is.
20
He's
seconds.
11 o'clock.
Okay. Wow. What size pack?
62, I think. 61, 62.
Down. Timer expired.
Okay, guys, I'm landing.
Oh, you got glasses.
Yeah, I'm good. A little touchier than I'm used to. I think the rudder's got too much. Not enough expo.
More expo?
You need more.
What's
Maybe,
it at? What
maybe
was
a
it set
little bit more elevator. I think it was like 30%.
to? Okay.
I always use like 80 to 90. Okay. On rudder, I always use a lot. There you go.
Sweet, man.
It's all trimmed. Oh, I didn't mess with rudder. You may want to check your